You're recording?
Yeah, it's normal.
Alright, you're recording. Okay, this is Tyson. This is me at my finest moment. I'm gonna look to the screen over here, and I'm gonna look in the viewfinder here.
Hello. How are you doing today? Good?
Okay, so the view is here, the screen is here, view here, screen here.
Oh, it's on. Cool.
Card, I put it in here.
Oh, it's recording. Awesome.
Now?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
Not in a minute, but like you're filming?
Yeah.
Japan makes cool things. Look at this thing. It's so cool.
Guys found it.
This is awesome. How do you zoom like in and out?
How does this stupid zoom work? Whoa, there we go.
Did you find it?
Ooh.
Okay.
Turn this off while I'm talking.
That's the off light.
Is you actually saving that thing?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's the red light means off actually.
Yeah. Get that, put the camera away. Put the camera away. Put the guy.
Is that thing on? Alright.
Stop, Simon.
Then you can't run, man. I got night shot. Fall back.
Do you think a lot of students at Loveland High smoke crack?
It's all the same. See, now what is that? Come on, what is that?
What is that?
Now what is that?
This is the part of the video where I admire myself.
His life revolves around wakeboarding, water, and sunglasses. Seriously, I mean, look at him.
It's come to my attention that since I am actually a penguin, that it's not necessary completely to have color. You see, being a black and white. Oh, good God! Here's my roommate.
Jump! There!
No me gusta penguin.
Exactly. No me gusta penguin. See, this is what I have to live with, and he uses my toothbrush.
You're out.
He's gonna cry. Somebody catch him, he's gonna cry. He's on the breaking point. Poke him, Justin. He's crying. We got him to cry.
The devil will hatch from the moon like an egg and reap havoc across the land. It's going to rape havoc? Reap havoc.
Whoa. Here, I'm gonna give the camera a few moments of me sitting here reflecting, and you can think whatever you want to think I'm thinking.
That's what makes this the best movie ever, because it's the last movie ever.
Alright, that's good.